All right, so we got our finished volcano. It's not attached to whatever you made it on. So let's get started. What you need to make it explode, we got Lola here too. You need like a box and a water bottle. That way the spout is about as high as the vent. And so you just take this, put that on top, and we're ready to go. Now what we're gonna do to make it explode is you need vinegar, baking soda, and some food coloring to turn it red. So what I like to do is I like to set up a little scene. So I'm gonna do a little dinosaur scene. So when it explodes, it's like the dinosaurs are gonna be all there freaking out. All right, so the first thing I do is I put a little bit of vinegar in here. Now the more you put, the more of an explosion. So if you're doing a lot, I would go outside to do all this because it can get a little messy. All right, Lola, you're gonna come shake the baking soda. Now it does take a few minutes to go, and I have a bigger water bottle, so I think we're gonna need some more vinegar. Now, once you add the baking soda, you'll kind of hear it like fizz, and then you know it's coming. Okay, that's a lot. So we should be having a pretty big explosion. All right, Lola, add a lot.
A lot?
Yeah, why not? Is it going? Yeah. Oh yeah, I hear it fizzing.
Is that enough?
I hear it. Keep it going. Okay. I see it. It's starting to come. I think we might need more vinegar.
That's enough.
Okay, you guys. Okay, ready? Here we go. All right, let me move it this way. Yay! Oh, look, it's starting to get on our little dinosaurs. And that's it. We exploded it. Should we put some more? Make it keep going? Go. Whoa, that's a lot. Lola, look. Pretty cool. Well, if y'all were in school, this would go home as a big ticket prize, but I guess I get to take it home. Or maybe I'll save it for when you come back. We'll see. All right, bye.